Hello everyone, welcome to today's video on my YouTube channel where we will discuss the top 7 reasons why the check engine light comes on. Check engine light is a warning that alerts you to a problem. When a car's check engine light comes on, the vehicle's onboard diagnostic system has detected a problem with the engine, emissions system, or other components. The check engine light works by monitoring various sensors and systems in the vehicle and triggering the light when it detects a problem. Some common reasons for the check engine light to come on include issues with the oxygen sensor, catalytic converter, spark plugs, fuel cap, mass airflow sensor, or a loose or damaged gas cap. It could also indicate a problem with the transmission, such as low transmission fluid or a faulty solenoid. Now we will see the reasons in detail. Number 1. Faulty mass airflow sensor. The mass airflow sensor measures the amount of air entering the engine and helps determine the correct air-fuel mixture. The sensor measures the amount of air entering the engine and sends this information to the engine control unit, ECU, to determine the correct air-fuel mixture for combustion. If the mass airflow sensor is faulty, it can send incorrect or inconsistent readings to the ECU, leading to a disruption in the air-fuel mixture and potentially causing issues such as rough idling, hesitation during acceleration, or a decrease in fuel efficiency. These issues can trigger the check engine light to come on as the ECU detects a problem with the engine's performance. Number 2. Faulty oxygen sensor. The oxygen sensor measures the amount of oxygen in the exhaust gases and sends this information to the engine control unit, ECU, to adjust the fuel injection for optimal combustion. A faulty oxygen sensor can cause the check engine light to come on because it plays a crucial role in monitoring and adjusting the air-fuel mixture in the engine. If the oxygen sensor is faulty, it can send incorrect readings to the ECU, leading to an imbalance in the air-fuel mixture. This can result in issues such as decreased fuel efficiency, rough idling, and increased emissions. The ECU detects these issues and triggers the check engine light to alert the driver of a potential problem with the engine's performance. Number 3. Loose gas cap. The gas cap is designed to seal the fuel system and prevent evaporation. If it is not properly tightened, it can cause fuel vapors to escape from the fuel tank, leading to a decrease in fuel efficiency. This results in the check engine light to come on because a leak in the fuel system, causing a drop in pressure and triggering the light. In this case, simply tightening the gas cap may resolve the issue and cause the light to turn off after a few driving cycles. Number 4. Faulty spark plugs or ignition coils. The spark plugs and ignition coils are essential components for igniting the air-fuel mixture in the engine. Issues with these components can lead to misfiring, decreased fuel efficiency, and rough engine performance. Number 5. Malfunctioning catalytic converter. The catalytic converter is responsible for converting harmful pollutants in the exhaust gas into less harmful emissions. If it is not functioning properly, it can lead to increased emissions and trigger the check engine light. A malfunctioning catalytic converter can also cause the check engine light to come on. Number 6. Evaporative emissions control system malfunction. Error code P0440 indicates a malfunction with a vehicle's evap system. This means that the vehicle's engine control module, ECM, has detected a leak in the fuel tank vapor system or that a vapor pressure sensor has malfunctioned. The evaporative emissions control system prevents fuel vapors from escaping into the atmosphere. A malfunction in this system can lead to increased emissions and trigger the check engine light. The most obvious symptom of a faulty EVAP system problem is the check engine light coming on. A common and easy to fix cause of this is a loose gas cap. If you recently filled up with fuel, check to see if the gas cap is fully tightened. If the check engine light remains illuminated after checking the gas cap, there may be a major problem in the EVAP system, including a leak or failure of the system component. Number 7. Exhaust gas recirculation, EGR, valve issue. The EGR valve helps reduce nitrogen oxide emissions by recirculating a portion of the exhaust gas back into the engine. An issue with the EGR valve can lead to increased emissions and decreased engine performance. When the check engine light comes on, it is important to have the vehicle diagnosed by a professional mechanic or technician to determine the specific issue. Ignoring the check engine light can lead to decreased fuel efficiency, increased emissions, and potential damage to the engine or other components. Once the issue is identified and repaired, the mechanic can reset the check engine light to turn it off. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked the video, please like it and leave a comment. If you are new to the channel, please click the subscribe button.